Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. In this video, we'll continue exploring the remaining 3 of the 7 tricks that can help you turn your used vehicle into a head-turning gem. From custom accessories to performance enhancements, we'll cover additional areas that can elevate the look and feel of your car. Get ready to learn more on how to revamp your ride and make it stand out from the crowd. Enhancing the vehicle's features. Technology and entertainment systems play a crucial role in enhancing the overall experience of a used vehicle. Consider upgrading to modern features like Bluetooth connectivity and touchscreen displays to bring your vehicle up to date and make it more appealing to potential buyers. Upgrading technology and entertainment systems. Installing Bluetooth connectivity allows for hands-free calling and easy music streaming, adding convenience and modern functionality to the vehicle. Upgrading to a touchscreen display not only improves the aesthetics of the interior but also provides easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, making the driving experience more enjoyable. Replacing worn-out parts and accessories. Swapping out worn-out seats for newer, more comfortable options can instantly refresh the interior of the vehicle and make it more inviting. Changing old floor mats and replacing other interior components that show signs of wear and tear can significantly improve the overall look and feel of the vehicle, giving it a fresh and well-maintained appearance. Improving performance and efficiency. Regular maintenance and servicing are crucial for enhancing the performance and efficiency of a used vehicle. By keeping up with routine maintenance schedules, such as oil changes, filter replacements, and brake inspections, you can ensure that your vehicle operates at its best. This not only improves performance but also extends the lifespan of the vehicle, saving you money on potential major repairs down the line. Regular maintenance and servicing. Regular maintenance is like giving your used vehicle a health checkup. It involves changing fluids, replacing worn-out parts, and ensuring everything is in proper working order. Neglecting routine maintenance can lead to decreased performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even safety hazards. Making maintenance a priority can help your vehicle run smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Optimizing fuel efficiency. One of the key aspects of improving a used vehicle's efficiency is optimizing fuel consumption. Simple steps like maintaining proper tire pressure can significantly impact fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can increase rolling resistance, causing the engine to work harder and consume more fuel. Regular engine tune-ups, including checking spark plugs and filters, can also improve fuel efficiency by ensuring the engine operates at its best. In addition to these tips, driving habits play a crucial role in fuel efficiency. Avoiding rapid acceleration and excessive idling can help conserve fuel and improve overall performance. By combining regular maintenance practices with fuel-saving driving techniques, you can make your used vehicle run more efficiently and save money on fuel costs in the long run. Creating a documentation portfolio. Without proper documentation, it's challenging to showcase the true value of a used vehicle and make it seem new to potential buyers. Organizing service records and maintaining a comprehensive vehicle history plays a pivotal role in assuring buyers of the car's upkeep and performance. Highlighting upgrades and customizations further enhances the appeal of the vehicle, showcasing the care and attention it has received over time. Organizing service records and vehicle history. Keeping a well-organized set of service records and vehicle history not only demonstrates meticulous care but also provides transparency to interested buyers. A complete service record helps potential buyers understand the maintenance history of the vehicle, instilling confidence in its reliability and performance. By documenting regular oil changes, tune-ups, and other routine maintenance tasks, you paint a clear picture of a well-maintained vehicle, significantly boosting its perceived value. Showcasing upgrades and customizations. Modifications and upgrades can set a used vehicle apart from the rest, making it appear fresher and more customized. Whether it's upgraded technology features, performance enhancements, or aesthetic modifications, showcasing these upgrades can pique the interest of buyers looking for a unique and personalized driving experience. By highlighting these customizations, you not only showcase the vehicle's individuality but also demonstrate the owner's dedication to enhancing its overall appeal and functionality. Final touches and presentation. Adding the final touches and presenting your used vehicle in the best light can significantly impact how potential buyers perceive its value. From professional detailing to captivating photography and listing preparation, these final steps are crucial in making your used vehicle seem like new. Professional detailing and final inspection. Investing in professional detailing services can work wonders in enhancing the overall appearance of your vehicle. Detailing not only cleans the exterior and interior thoroughly but also helps in restoring any worn-out surfaces. This can create a lasting impression on buyers, giving them the feeling of purchasing a well-maintained and cared-for vehicle. Before presenting your used vehicle for sale, consider a final inspection post-detailing to ensure everything is in top condition. Photography and listing preparation. High-quality photos are essential in attracting potential buyers online. Make sure to capture clear images of both the exterior and interior of the vehicle. Natural lighting and angles that highlight the best features of the car can make a significant difference. When writing the vehicle listing, be descriptive yet concise. Highlight key features, upgrades, and any maintenance history that can instill confidence in potential buyers. Use engaging language to create a compelling listing that stands out from the competition. In conclusion, transforming a used vehicle into a shiny, like new gem doesn't have to break the bank. By following these 7 simple yet effective tips, you can impress potential buyers and command top dollar for your pre-loved wheels. Remember, a little elbow grease goes a long way when it comes to detailing both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. Paying attention to the small details, like fixing minor dents and scratches, can make a world of difference in how your car is perceived by prospective buyers. Additionally, investing in professional cleaning and waxing services can give your car that extra sparkle that makes it stand out from the crowd. Don't underestimate the power of a fresh coat of paint or a new set of tires to breathe new life into your vehicle. By implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to making your used vehicle look and feel brand new, ultimately leading to a faster sale and a higher selling price. Happy selling! As we conclude the second part of our 2-part series on Revamp Your Ride, 7 tricks to transform a used vehicle into a head-turning gem, we've explored the final 3 of the 7 tricks that can help you give your used car a fresh new look. Remember, with a little creativity and effort, you can transform your vehicle into a head-turning gem that reflects your style and personality. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.